Look at this beautiful bird right here in front of me. He just literally flew right here beside me. That is a beautiful bird. I thank Jesus for blessing me with this chance of getting to video this guy. That is just awesome. I've never seen one this curious. I'm literally out here in the wild and this bird flies up to take a peek in my phone. Now if that isn't the Lord Jesus, I don't know what is. But this is definitely a blessed video. If you enjoy my videos, I ask you, please subscribe. Let's see what God blesses us with next, because this is awesome. Just to show you how close I am, that's my hand. That's the bird. And he's not scared of me. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at all the color on this bird. I am flat blown away about this. That's party in God in nature's great outdoors. So have a blessed evening. Get out and see what God's created that you can enjoy today. Have a blessed day in nature's great outdoors.